Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell the summary of the poem Abu bin Adam. This poem has been composed by Leigh Hunt. He was a famous poet. He defended the Romantic poets in his criticism. In this poem, the poet tells us a story of a religious man named Abu bin Adam. One night he was sleeping in his room. Suddenly he awoke from his sleep due to a bright light, and he was greatly amazed to see an angel in his room who was busy in writing something in his golden book. That's mean he was writing the precious thing. Then Abu took courage and asked the angel what he was writing in his book. Then the angel replied that he was writing the names of those persons who loved God. The name of Abu bin Adam was not included in the list. This did not shock him. But Abu bin Adam requested the angel to write his name among the list of those people who loved his fellow man, who love and care the humanity. Next night, the angel appeared again with the list of persons who were blessed by God, and the name of Abu bin Adam was on the top of the list. This confirms that God does not love only those who love Him, but He equally loves those who love mankind, who love and care the human beings. This poem conveys the message that the service of humanity is true worship of God. It is through love and care of our fellow human beings that we can receive the love of God. Thanks.